Hey friends, today we're going to draw a bunny alien.
Yeah, one in a spaceship, and it's also beaming up an Easter egg.
Yes.
We hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Before we start the lesson, I want to give you a quick preview of how our bunnies turned out at the very end, and they look awesome. I hope our art friends are super excited to follow along with us. And we used our markers to draw and color with, and we're also drawing on marker paper, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Let's first draw our little bunny in the alien spaceship up here at the top of our paper so that we have room for the beam stealing the Easter egg. Okay. We're going to draw the little nose right here. We're going to draw it kind of small so that we can fit it inside of our spaceship. And then we're going to draw the mouth. We're going to draw the letter U coming out on both sides. So we got the little oval for the nose, and then we got 3 U's for the mouth. One on each side, and then one because we're drawing our bunny mouth open.
Yes.
Now let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw circles on both sides. And we're drawing this really small. We're going to color in the eye, but we're going to leave a little white highlight so that the bunny eyes look shiny.
Really small.
Wow, that's really small. I like it. Okay, let's draw the top of our bunny's head. We're going to draw an upside down letter U. Then we're going to draw little cheeks on each side sticking out. And then we're going to draw them connecting together like that. Oh, I got a little flat over here on this side. That's okay. We're practicing, right?
Yeah.
The most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun. Okay, let's draw the bunny ears. We're going to draw a small upside down letter U. We don't want to get too big because we're going to draw the the glass part of our spaceship going over. And then we can draw the inside of the ears, another small upside down letter U. Oh, you can barely fit it in.
Yeah.
I love how small you're drawing yours. It's awesome. Okay, now let's draw the bunny's arms coming down like this, and then we're going to draw them curving back up, but we're not going to go all the way to the top. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Our little arms are going to be sticking out of the UFO. Okay, and then let's draw a line straight across. And then we're going to draw a line. I'm going to turn my paper sideways so it's a little easier. That's going to come out. We're imagining it going out from that middle line so that it's going behind the arms and coming out further on each side. There you go. Then we're going to draw the glass going over our bunny's head and ears and connecting over to the other side. Now let's draw the UFO. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out and down on both sides to match. And then we can draw a line connecting those together. Then let's draw 2 short lines coming down further. And then we'll connect those together too. Now let's draw the bottom of our UFO. We're going to draw 2 more diagonal lines coming in. And then we're going to draw them connecting at the bottom. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the beaming part of our UFO. I'm going to draw a diagonal line coming down and another one coming down to match, but going the other way. Now let's draw our little Easter egg. We're going to draw the top of our egg. I'm going to draw coming around and down. And then we'll draw the bottom of our Easter egg to match. Then we can connect the 2 little beam lines. There we go. We did it. We finished drawing our little Easter alien in a spaceship. Except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring, but you can also color your drawing differently. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Austin, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our little bunny UFOs, and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they look so much better colored in.
Yeah, they do, and I really hope our friends will take time to color their drawings. You can pause the video to match ours, or, like we mentioned, color them differently.
Be sure to also add a background.
Yeah, you could add more Easter eggs, because our bunny is hungry.
Yeah.
Do bunnies eat Easter eggs?
I'm not sure. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing alien Easter bunnies.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.